Everybody don't like dogs. Please put your dog up when I come up your house.
Well, then stay your ass at home. This dog live here. You don't. Listen, there's like 5 people in this entire world that I like better than my dog. And don't none of them have to be invited to a house that they live in. You understand? So if you are invited as a guest to my home and you don't like nothing that's in my home, I want you to turn around and don't let the door hit you where the good Lord split you. Tell them, poosh, I'll put your dog up.